Hey guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video we'll be learning about integers, bools, and floating points in Rust. So let's begin. So first of all, I'm gonna open up a folder I have. So Control R, Control R. Then I'm gonna click on 2024 coding correct. And then I have already created a new file called main.rs. Okay, so now what I'm gonna do is so I'm gonna be teaching you guys about integers first. So let's say first of all we have our main function. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna declare a variable. So I'm gonna say let number. Okay, this could be anything you want. Maybe for example, this could be John Doe, or I don't know. Okay, so I'm just gonna for now keep it as number. Okay, so let this number, and then I'm gonna put a colon and then I32. I32. So what this tells Rust is that it tells Rust that this is gonna be integer. So now we have to put an integer after this. So this is going to be let's say 5. So let's print it out. So print ln, or you could do print, but it won't print it in a new line. So print ln, let's just do the number. Common number, and if I do that, I need to do something like rust c main.rs. Yeah, rust c main.rs. Okay, we got we have to put a semicolon right there. So rust c main.rs. Semicolon is very important in Rust. You gotta make sure you have it. It's not like JavaScript where it's not, compulsory. I mean, you have to do it. So okay, Rust C main.rs. Okay, wait, this is my channel. Anyways, this might take some time to compile. Until it compiles, I'm just gonna scroll through. See. Okay. See if it's still compiling it. This might take some time if you do it, like after a very long time or something. Um, so yeah, let's see what else. Been doing pretty good. The channel is the oldest video. The shorts. Okay, anyways, let's see. Alright, it's done. Now it's done compiling, so let's run this. Now slash main. Okay, and now as you can see, we get 5. So we can also make this constant, but then we cannot change its value. Okay, so rust rs, and then we get in warning we have to convert this into an uppercase number. So in Rust, if we're going to make a constant value, if we're going to use the constant keyword, then all the letters that are going to be in the variable name have to be uppercase. It doesn't have to be weekend. So okay, then this should be changed to number as well. Alright, there we go. Now just say receive into rs and then dot slash main. And now we also get 5. But the difference is that we cannot change its value again. Okay, so now now let's learn about floating points. So this is how we do floating points. So const, or you could do let. I'm just gonna do const for now. So now let's do this number, and this is going to be f32. So what f32 is means like floating point. Now we have to add a floating point. So I can, for example, do 9.9, 9.7. Let's do 9.7, and now if I do that, plus c main.rs. Okay, we need a semicolon. Now c main.rs dot slash main, and then as you can see we do get 9.7. But if I make this to like in I32 for example, and then if I try running this, and then we run into an error because if we now it's saying that it expected an integer but it found a floating point. Okay, so now then that's why we have to put this as f32. And if we're doing let, if you're using the let keyword, if you're using the let keyword, and then we have to convert this to number. So it's like the opposite between a let and const. So in let, it has to be lowercase. In const, it has to be all uppercase. But for now, I'm just gonna leave it as const because I don't want to change everything again. So const, okay. And then now, the last thing I want to show you guys for this video is about boolean properties. What I could do is that I could say number, and then I could wait. I'm just gonna show you guys from scratch. So const number and then colon, and then what I could do is say bool. Alright, so now this will let Rust know that this variable is going to be a bool. And now we have to use a bool. So we could set this to true and let number bool, or it's a bool, okay, equal to, let's say, maybe false, or we could do true. It really doesn't matter. I'm just gonna do false for now. And then then I could do Rust-C main.rs. Okay, it should be actually this is not Python to be uppercase. In Rust it has to be lowercase. So Rust-C main.rs slash main, and then we get false. We could also do true if you want. It really doesn't matter what the value is. So Rust-C main.rs and then /main. And yeah, and that's it for this video. Thank you guys very much for watching. Subscribe because I'm close to 40 subscribers. I have to get that done. And, yeah, I'll see you guys in another video.